Welcome to Sticky's Dug Races, where the paint is fresh and the boots stay muddy. You can grab a cane pole seat and laugh so hard you lose your money. Sun on the rail, corn in the tin, everybody knows how the fun begins. Light 'em up, let 'em roll, hear that little whole town cheer. Hold your hat, don't blink now, Sticky's making it clear. Quack, 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 come on home. Quack, 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 you're not alone. Sticky's Dug Races, stick around. Quack, 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 best place in town. Old man Lou sells a lemon pie, kids with chalk on their sleeves are shouting. Mabel keeps the winter board and nobody leaves without talking. Back fence swings, tin cup clanks, every crazy heart in the crowd just sings. Light 'em up, let 'em roll, hear that little whole town cheer. Hold your hat, don't blink now, Sticky's making it clear. Quack, 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 come on home. Quack, 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 you're not alone. Sticky's Dug Races, stick around. Quack, 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 best place in town.